Hi, in front of me is LG Wing, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type edges and download this app from this developer. Open it, tap on one of these themes, name it and click OK Creative. Close the nut, and over here you can customize your edges however you want. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size and many other things. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources like photo. Choose a photo, adjust it, and tap at the top right corner. Then click Create. Tap at the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Then click Apply. Choose Set. And now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Then click Yes, tap on the switcher, go back, tap on the switcher one more time. And now as you can see, I can see my colorful edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!